guys, I'm going to do a kitchen tour. So this is my kitchen. Just like that. And I'm going to start over here. Here I got a popcorn maker. I got a Cuisinart over there. Some popcorn cups, and this is a Dirt Devil, a radio, my magic bullet, and some bananas, oatmeal, and some different items in here, and a roll I'm gonna eat, and then I have a nice platter back there, and then up here we have some dishes, some glassware. These cabinets are really high. That's what's in that cabinet. This cabinet, I can't open the other side, but it's like the same dishware. Other odds and ends in there. And here just have like a junk drawer. Down here we just keep extra items in here too. Coffee down there and thermoses and stuff. Bakeware in here and other things. Paper towel down there. Over here is just books and things. Here's more paper towels and stuff. Baggies. Storage. This is my fridge. I'll do what's in my fridge after. Separate video. Here is our toaster oven. Here we got spices and stuff. This is got all the spices on there. Lazy Susan. Some microwave. We don't keep anything up there. Over here we keep more things. Our pantry. We don't use the top ones that much. Too high. Over here we have plates and dishes and cups. All the way up there. And on the on this cabinet we got our tea kettle. And we got some spices here, salt, pepper, and garlic, and a creamer bowl, our toaster, oil, and a little soup holder thingy, whatever you want to call it, and a tree mug, and all my coffee thingies, some cups, and this is a Starbucks vanilla flavor. My Keurig, a towel holder, and we also have a tea kettle here. It's one of those electric ones. And then we have a teapot for tea, our phone, and this is our TV, and our sink, dish rack with dishes in it, and some odds and ends on the counter. And then we have a set of drawers over here. Junk drawer. Everybody's got a junk drawer. Other odds and ends over here. This one is kind of junk too. It's mostly old junk drawers and extra things. Dishwasher. I love this dishwasher. And under the sink, with all the cleaning supplies under the sink. And I love this big sink, very wide. And then here, I love this. It's like a Lazy Susan. Got everything in here. An old coffee maker, blender, And a hand blender. That's up there. And an old Cuisinart in the bottom. That's a Lazy Susan too. I love this thing. Whoop. And here's just our knives and forks and cutlery. And all our other cutlery that we use. And here we have plasticware, stainless steel, and I don't know what you will call these. Down here some more. And then here we keep more. A lot of dishes and stuff, plastic, Tupperwares and stuff. Whoop. More dishware. And a gravy boat. My Starbucks mug. And our oven. A nice oven. And over here I like this. On our island, more drawers to keep all our plastic stuff, bags and things. And here, more knives, spoons, and forks and everything in there. Garbage pail. And in here we got our pots and pans. All in here. Yeah, pots and pans. And bakeware down there. So, like I said, in here, garbage pans. We got pails, 2 of them. And this is our nice island. I love the island with our 3 stools. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And next I'll do is what's in my fridge video. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.